Okay, so in the previous class, we learned about the administration, role of the king, source of the income. Now we are going to the last topic of this chapter, that is the decline of Mauryan dynasty. So you know about that how Mauryan dynasty will be developed, किस तरह से develop हुआ, how the Chandragupta Maurya developed, how increased the all the empire, how Chanakya guide to the Chandragupta Maurya, who is Bindusara. Then you learn about the Ashoka also, and Ashoka is the brilliant king in the Mauryan empire. So which are the reasons are there for the decline of the Mauryan empire? So you know that Ashoka is a very good king, and he take some of the steps, or he takes some of the decisions for his kingdom or his empire. But some of the decisions are wrong at that time for the other peoples, or other peoples are tell that he is wrong. So there are some reasons. First, I will be tell the whole the details. Then we will be read the points from the book. So first reason is the Brahmical reason. In that, what will be, you know that the Ashoka will be, first of all, he is a Jainism. Then he translate to the Buddhism. So some of the people of Brahmins are tell that he is a wrong at that time. एंड सेकेंड थिंग दे आर टेल दैट अशोका ने ऐसा भी कहा कि वुमेन्स जो है वो परफॉर्म कर सकते, रिचुअल्स में आ सकती है. यू डोंट हैव टू बी कट द बर्ड एंड एनिमल्स ऑल्सो, मीन्स सम ऑफ द रूल्स आर डेवलप्ड बाय द अशोकास. सो उस टाइम पे जो ब्राह्मण्स थे उनकी इनकम जो है वो कम हो रही थी, बिकॉज वुमेन्स जो थी अपने आप रिचुअल्स करने लगी थी. फिर बर्ड्स हैं, पहले ऐसा बोलते थे कि बलि चलाना अच्छा होता है, शुभ होता है, लेकिन जब से अशोका ने उसको स्टॉप किया तो ब्राह्मण से उनकी इनकम जो है वो कम होने लगी. दैट्स व्हाई the Brahmins are take a reaction whenever Ashok will be develop this, decide these decisions. So this is the first reason. Second reason is the financial crisis. uh, आपको पता है कि हमारा जो मौर्यन एम्पायर है दैट हैव अ वेरी ह्यूज आर्मी, इसके पास बहुत बड़ी आर्मी थी, राइट. सो उतनी बड़ी आर्मी को संभालना, मेंटेन रखना, सबको सैलरी देना, सब कुछ एक साथ पॉसिबल नहीं होता था. इतनी बड़ी एम्पायर को, इतनी बड़ी आर्मी को एक साथ रखना, दैट इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट पे द सैलरी टू देम, उनको सैलरी पे करना सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. दिस इज द सेकेंड रीजन. थर्ड रीजन इज द अशोक्स पॉलिसीज. आफ्टर द कालिंगाना वॉर, अशोक वॉज अ वेरी पीसफुल. अशोक जो था वो एकदम पीसफुल हो गया था. उसने वॉर जो थे वो करना छोड़ दिए थे. वो शांति से रहना चाहते. ही डोंट वांट टू किल एनीथिंग. सो दैट्स व्हाई अदर countries, other empires want to win the Mauryan Empire, means the India. So that's why this is the reason that Mauryan Empire will be goes to decline, and the area of the empire will be decreased. Fourth reason is the foreign invasion. What will be happen due to the some of the policy of Ashok? He is very polite. He is very peaceful. That's why foreigners also try to win the Mauryan Empire. Next is the partition of the empire. The most powerful reason for the decline of the Mauryan dynasty is the death of Ashok. सबसे पहले तो चाणक्य ने, चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य ने बहुत अच्छे से पूरे एम्पायर को संभाला था. बिंदुसार आया, उसने एम्पायर को इंक्रीज किया. देन अशोका इज द मोस्ट स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट किंग ऑफ द मौर्यन एम्पायर, एंड ही इज वेरी गुड इन द किंगडम. इवन उसने बहुत अच्छे से संभाला, एम्पायर को इंक्रीज किया. बट जैसे ही उसकी डेथ हुई तो उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग किंग वहां पे नहीं था. So that's why they have to be all the members are decide to divide the empire and rule. पहले क्या था कि सिर्फ अशोक ही पूरे एम्पायर को रूल करता था, लेकिन आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ अशोका देयर इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्टी फेसेस बाय द his son, his grandson to rule over the empire, this big empire. That's why they decide to divide this Mauryan empire and rule. means the east side and the west side. There will be there was divide like this, east and the west. Last reason for the that एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वीकनेस, जो उसके एडमिन थे मीन्स पहले अशोक था, बिंदुसारा था, दे आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग किंग्स, बट आफ्टर द डिवीजन ऑफ द मौर्यन एम्पायर what will be happen, his son Ashoka's son, his grandson, they are not that type of stronger king. तो वो इतने अच्छे से एम्पायर को संभाल नहीं पा रहे थे, जिसकी वजह से एम्पायर है उसका जो रूलर है वो वीक होने लगा, और लास्टली empire are won by the Sunga dynasty, and that time there is a decline of the Mauryan dynasty. Okay, so now we are going to read from the book. All the points are covered. Okay, who will be read now?
Ma'am, can I read?
No. Dhyani, please read. Dhyani.
Decline of Mauryan dynasty. The Mauryan Empire began to disintegrated after the death of Ashoka in Ashoka 232 BCE.
You have to be remember this one, 232 BCE. Maybe in the exam they will be asked what is the death of Ashoka. That is a 232 BCE. Have you book, Dhyani? If you have,
no ma'am.
Okay, so please wait. Okay, start reading.
Various factors contributed to the decline and fall of the Mauryan Empire.
First,
the promotion of Buddhism has adversely affected the Brahmins. Hence, the empire received a strong protest from the
ब्राह्मिकल सोसाइटी. जैसे मैंने बोला कि ब्राह्मण्स पे ज्यादा इफेक्ट हो रहा था, बिकॉज अशोक ने सारी जो बोला था कि वुमेन्स कैन ऑल्सो डू द रिचुअल्स, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू योर ओन रिचुअल्स, तो ब्राह्मण्स थे उन पे ज्यादा इफेक्ट हो रहा था. जब आप यज्ञ के
मैम मुझे स्क्रीन पे अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा है मैम. मैं
ओके, नो इशू, आई कैन maybe read from other one. So this is the first reason from the Brahmical society. Okay, who will they read?
Ma'am, can I read?
जिन्होंने रीड कर दिया है हम दूसरों को चांस देंगे. मयन.
Yes, ma'am.
Please start reading.
The Maryans used large amount of money on the maintenance of army. This made a dent in the Marian treasury.
Okay, so पहले हमने बोला कि ड्यू टू द लार्ज आर्मी उनको मेंटेनेंस करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट रहता था. नेक्स्ट,
the successors of Ashok were not capable enough to look after a huge empire.
A successor means the son and his grandson. Okay, next.
There were followed.
These were
These were followed by a
series
series of foreign
foreign
inventions.
Bactrians, this is the name.
Were the first one to invade India
In
206 BC.
in 206 BCE. This is the name. Bactrian was the first who invade means who will be decide to war on the India on 206 BCE. Next, Mauryan Empire.
By
Pushyamitra's Shunga. Push.
The generals
आपकी आवाज बहुत कट होके आ रही है, मैं यही पढ़ लेती हूँ. Last, it's destroyed by the Pushyamitra Shunga. The general of the last Mauryan ruler is the Brihadra in 185 BCE. This is the last ruler of the Mauryan. At that time, the Mauryan Empire is destroyed. So here you can see that 326 BCE, Alexander invasion of India. 321 to 297 Chandragupta Maurya region, 297 to 272 Bindusara, 273 to 232 Ashok, 206 Bactrians invaded India, and in a 185 end of Mauryan Empire. This is the history of the Mauryan Empire. Word galaxy already given. Now I want to request to the every student, please open your textbook. That's why we can solve our exercise.
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number
76.
76.
Page number 76. Okay. You can write down the page number of the question in the book. Then you can be write this in your notebook. First, choose the correct appropriate option. A, in blank, Alexander turned his attention toward the India.
326 BCE.
Yes, answer is the 326 BCE. Tick on the book only. आप book में ही tick कर दोगे. B, blank has described to reign the Patliputra palace in his book Indica. Megasthenes. Okay. C, blank appointed special officers known as Dhamma mantras to teach the politics. Ashoka. Okay. Next. The Mauryan Empire was finally destroyed by blank in
Pushyamitra Shunga.
Okay. Answer is the B, Pushyamitra Shunga. Now fill in the blanks. Chanakya was a teacher at blank university.
Takshila.
Yes, answer is the Takshila. Write down in your textbook only. Takshila. The official in charge for the finances and revenue collection was known as, anyone knows? Samahata.
Next.
blank was the main source of income of the Mauryan Empire? Anyone?
Tax.
Yes?
Tax.
Tax. Which tax? Which type of
Land
tax?
revenue. Land
Yes,
revenue.
that is a land revenue. Okay, now next, match the following. Here is the name is given and what is the position of him? You have to be found. First, Ambi, general of Alexander, prince of Takshila, last Mauryan ruler, last Nanda ruler.
Prince of
Last,
No,
Prince
he's
Last
of,
Nanda ruler.
last Mauryan ruler.
prince of Takshila.
Prince of Takshila.
Dhanananda.
Last Nanda ruler.
Last Nanda.
Okay. Silesius.
General of Alexander.
General of Alexander.
And Badrinatha.
Last Mauryan
Last
ruler.
Mauryan ruler.
Done. Okay. Now, answer the following question in 10 to 20 words. Write about the military conquests of the Chandragupta Maurya.
मैम ये होमवर्क में
Yes.
होमवर्क में
Yes, Yatharth.
मैम दिस इज होमवर्क
No, I am just asking you.
Chandragupta Maurya conquered the whole of northern India up to the river Indus.
Yes, right answer. Next, in which language were the rock and the pillar edicts written and why?
Prakrit.
Prakrit. Why?
Because it was an easy language which was known by many people.
Understood by
people. Yes. Why was Ashoka called Chandashoka?
Because he was very short-tempered.
Very good. Nice answer. Question 5. Answer the following questions. A. Write a brief note on the source of income during the Mauryan period. So, if you know, so you can tell me. It will be on the page number 74.
Ma'am, can I answer?
No, I'm just writing.
Ma'am, can I answer?
No, that is a too much big, so I will be tell you directly page number 74. Elaborate the various measures taken by the Ashoka for the separate of his Dhamma. Anyone can tell me the page number or I can write directly.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Answer or page number? It's already given in the textbook. Page number बोल दो मल्हार. It's a 73.
74.
3. This one. Is it 74?
No, ma'am.
It's a 73 here.
It is 7.
Okay, discuss the importance of the king in the Mauryan Empire. So यहाँ पे आपको उसका रोल लिखना है पूरा कि रोल उसका क्या है, वो किस तरह से वर्क करता था. You have to be make by yourself. ये अपनी तरह से बनाओ और खुद से लिखो कि उसका रोल क्या था, वो किस तरह से वर्क करता था, किसको किस तरह से वर्क देता था. That is a role of importance of the king. Next, Kalingana War was turning point in the life of Ashoka. Why? Yes, Malhar.
Ma'am, because many soldiers of the Mauryan army were died, and also the land of Kalingana was filled with blood.
Okay, but what was the question? Kalingana war was turning point in the life of Ashoka. वो अशोक के कहीं life के लिए turning point था. क्यों?
Ma'am, because he converted to Buddhism.
Buddhism, yes. Buddhism convert हुआ. First he won that war, and after that he increased his empire and he will return to the Buddhism. B. The Mauryan Empire began to disintegrate after the death of Ashoka.
Because his successors were not able to take care of the large empire.
Yes, right answer. Very good. 7. Identify the person in the picture. Who is
Bindusara.
This is the Bindusara. Okay.
Bindusara.
Discuss the territorial extent of his empire. That will be given on the page number 7 in the Bindusara paragraph. You can be see from that on the page number 71. अगर आपको याद नहीं रहता तो
Bindusara extended the Mauryan Empire in peninsular India as far as Mysore, except Kalinga on the east coast.
Okay. Evaluate the role of the Ashoka in the spreading the peace and the non-violence. So what will be the answer here? किस तरह से आप आंसर लिखोगे इसका? अशोका ने क्या किया अपने पीस और नॉन वायलेंस को बढ़ाने के लिए या फिर बताने के लिए? First he developed the welfare measure. उसमें उसने अपने कुछ रजुकास को भेजा to spread his message. Then he developed the Ashoka's Dharma. In that he tell that there is no violence. Peace for the welfare measure and Dharma for the non-violence. Okay, here there will be end of the chapter. You have to be only write down the exercise from question number 4 to your book. Question number 4, 5, 6, 7 and the 8 आपको आपके नोटबुक में लिखने हैं. Yes.
मैम 8 क्वेश्चन का पेज नंबर है.
8 क्वेश्चन का पेज नंबर ओके हम यहाँ से देख सकते हैं. आप okay, sorry. This one is the Kalingana War. Here there will welfare measures. यहाँ पे उसने किस तरह से अपने deliver किया. Here there is an answer. Second is the Dharma. This one. कि उसने किस तरह से spread किया. Here he probably killing the bird, animals and all. Page number is the 72 and 73. Okay, here there is an end of the chapter.